Welcome to this REX640 operation video. In this video, you will be introduced to the process of identifying, clearing, and acknowledging disturbances in the protection relay. Viewing alarm list. The home button flashing a red light indicates at least one alarm is active or unacknowledged. Open the alarm list in one of the alternative ways. If the LHMI is in sleep mode, tap the home button to open the alarm list page. If the LHMI is active, tap the alarms section on the overview page. Or tap the menu button and select View Alarms. The SHMI always opens to a navigation page. An alarm page is opened if the user navigates to a relay with an alarming status. Acknowledging alarms. On the alarms page, there are three list groups. Persisting alarms, alarms that are still active. Fleeting alarms, alarms that are not active anymore, but have not been acknowledged. Available alarms, overview of all events predefined as alarms with status and latest timestamp. More information about an alarm can be seen by tapping the alarm row. Select the alarms in one of the alternative ways. Select one or multiple alarms by tapping the checkboxes. Or select all alarms by tapping Select All. Last, tap Acknowledge. Lockout or latch trip can also be reset on this page by tapping Reset Trip. When a persisting alarm is acknowledged, it does not disappear from the list until the cause of the alarm is resolved. Clearing and acknowledging. Tap the menu button. Tap Clear. Select the items to be cleared or acknowledged by tapping the corresponding rows. Swipe the list vertically to scroll up and down. Tap Clear from relay to clear or acknowledge the selected items.